Come personally tour this updated 4-bedroom 2-bath home with me this Saturday, April 28th from 12 till 2 p.m. Pride of ownership is apparent throughout this well-maintained North Hampton home. This gorgeous home boasts an open floor plan with plenty of natural light, 10-foot ceilings, security system, large screened-in lanai, deck off of the lanai, and a large fenced-in backyard that backs up to a preserve. The kitchen offers granite countertops, dual-drawer dishwasher, and a Maytag refrigerator. The bonus room upstairs is a 4th bedroom with a full bath, and the office on the 1st floor could be a 5th bedroom. New AC with 2 zones. Amenities include a large community pool, tennis and basketball courts, and the award-winning Arnold Palmer Golf Course Club. Enjoy the Lofton Creek Outpost West/Clubhouse and kayak launch. HOA fee includes cable TV, internet, SEC system monitoring.